Hey, welcome back. In this video, we will discuss how we can write to a file in Python. Okay, so we can write to an existing file. Also, we can create a file as well, which we will see in a moment. To write to an existing file, you must add a parameter to the open function. Basically, first of all, we have to open the file to write inside of that particular file, right? Okay. So here we have the A, which is the append mode, will append to the end of the file, and then we have the write, will overwrite the existing content. Okay. So first of all, I will open up my sidebar. So we are having the story.txt. Okay. So here I will create another txt file. Okay. So what I'll do something like this. So first of all, I will just shrink down the sidebar. So here I will do with open, and then let's do demo.txt. And here we have to provide the mode. As you can see, the default mode is R, which is used for reading, but here we have to write. So let's do W. Okay. All right. And here what I'll do as text file. All right. And now text file dot write. Okay. I will do hello world, and then I will add a new line character. Then once again I will do hello world again. Okay. And then I will do this is a new line. Okay. All right. So we are doing something like this. Okay. So in this video, we will be using the with block here. Okay. And from now on, we will be using the with block here. Okay. I will not be showing you the previous method of opening the file and writing the file, because there we have to close the file as well. All right. If I now run the program, as you can see here, we are having the demo.txt. Okay. So hello world, and in the next line, hello world again. And then this is a new line. And also our cursor is at here, because as you can see at the last line, we are having this new line character here as well. So this is how we can write to a particular file. Okay. Now this write method, basically, if I now do something like this, so what I'll do, I'll just comment out this one right now, and here I will do text file dot write and do hi there. Okay. So just have a look into this one. So hello world, and then we are having these three lines, right? But now if I run the program, as you can see, we are having only one single line here. Okay. So here, what exactly is happening? So whenever we are using this write mode here, so what will happen when we will be writing something inside of our with open block, basically, then the previous content of that particular file will be overwritten. That is why, as you can see, our last three lines are lost. Okay. So if I just control B, so I will just move the sidebar here. Okay. So now if you do not want to overwrite everything inside of the text file, instead of that, you want to append the content, then what you can do, you can open the file with the append mode. Okay. And here, as you can see, now we are having hi there. And then if I just run the program once again, we are having hi there, hi there. Okay. So it is appending. So it will be a little bit more clear. So if I just do something like this, okay, and just comment out this one, and I will do something like W here, run it. Okay. Control P, demo.txt here. All right. So hello world again. And this is a new line. All right. And now what I'll do, I'll change the mode, which will be append. I will comment out all of these here, and I will uncomment this one here. Okay. So now if I now run the program, as you can see, we are appending to that particular file. Okay, so our contents, basically the previous contents of the files, are not lost. All right, so this is how we can write to a file by using Python. Okay, awesome.